How we damage our health. It is an established scientific fact in Western medicine that in order to initiate efficient digestion of any concentrated animal protein, the stomach must secrete pepsin. But it is also a well-known fact that pepsin can function only in a highly acidic environment, which must be maintained for several hours for the complete digestion of proteins. It is an equally well-established fact of science that when we chew a piece of bread, a potato or any other carbohydrate or starch, ptyalin and other alkaline juices are immediately secreted into the food by the saliva in the mouth. When swallowed, the alkalized starches require an alkaline environment in the stomach in order to complete digestion. What happens when you ingest protein and starch together? Acid and alkaline juices are secreted simultaneously in response to the incoming protein and starch, promptly neutralizing one another and leaving a weak watery solution in the stomach that digests neither protein nor starch. Instead, proteins putrefy and starches ferment, lending to the constant presence of bad bacteria in the digestive tract. Putrefaction and fermentation. This putrefaction and fermentation are the primary cause of all sorts of digestive stress, including gas, heartburn, cramps, bloating, constipation, foul stools, bloody stools, colitis, eventually resulting in irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Many so-called allergies are also the direct result of improper food combinations. The bloodstream picks up toxins from this putrefied fermented mess as it passes slowly through the intestines. And these toxins in turn cause rashes, hives, headaches, nausea and other symptoms commonly branded as allergies. The same foods that cause allergic reactions when improperly combined often have no ill side effects whatsoever when consumed according to the rules of proper body alkalinity. The conclusion is this: when you immobilize your stomach and impair digestive functions by consuming foods in haphazard combinations, the bacteria in your alimentary canal represented by the esophagus, stomach, and intestines have a field day. The bacteria gets all the nutrients and thrives, while you get all the waste and suffer. According to a recent study in America, the average American today carries about 5 to 10 pounds of undigested putrefied meat in their gut. Leave 5 pounds of meat in a dark, warm, moist place for a few days and see for yourself the results of putrefaction. The severely septic condition of the human intestinal tract is unique in nature. Yet many physicians take it for granted, and even insist that it is harmless to the rest of the system. Statistics show there are at least 60 to 70 million people suffering from some sort of digestive disorder. Why not consider a vegetarian diet? Our society is set up to regard meat eating as the norm. Those people who choose a vegetarian diet are often thought of as difficult, trying to be different, or just odd. A common nutritional fallacy is that meat and animal products must be consumed in order to maintain a well-balanced, healthy diet. Many people these days are finding out the many health benefits of a vegetarian diet. Additionally, many physicians and nutritionists are prescribing and endorsing plant-based meals in order to promote health, prevent and treat certain diseases, and even to reduce weight. There are many products now becoming available in shops and supermarkets that contain health-enhancing plant extracts. These are mixed in yogurts, spreads and cheeses to specifically lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure and diabetes, enhance energy levels and boost immune systems. Who knows what other benefits are just around the corner in plant extracts? Although vegetarianism may seem like a modern idea, in reality, its health benefits have been known for many years in cultures around the world. India and the Far East make up the largest percentage of the world's vegetarians, both for health and spiritual reasons. One group of people, the Hunza, who live near the Himalayas, have a diet which is exclusively vegetarian. Members of their community reportedly often live to be over 100 years of age. The American Dietetic Association says that the benefits of a vegetarian diet can include lower cholesterol levels, lower levels of saturated fats, lower body fat, reduced rates of heart disease, lower blood pressure, lower incidence of type 2 diabetes, lower instances of certain cancers, and higher levels of important minerals and antioxidant vitamins. Obesity is one of the major health concerns in America. It can be addressed with a vegetarian diet, one that eliminates excess protein and animal fat consumption, processed foods, and increases fiber in the form of fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Those who consume a vegetarian diet tend to maintain a lower body mass index or BMI, which significantly aids in the treatment and management of other chronic illnesses such as cardiovascular disease, high blood pressure and diabetes. A lower BMI is the aim of anyone looking to improve their general health, whether by diet, exercise, or preferably both. One question often asked by those considering a vegetarian diet is, will I get enough protein? This is certainly a valid question, as protein is necessary for the building, maintenance and function of all body cells. In fact, a varied and well-balanced vegetarian diet actually provides all the protein the body needs, obtained by eating whole grains, beans, nuts and soy products. In fact, meat-based diets typically provide an excess of protein, which may actually be harmful. High protein levels can put more strain on the kidneys. A leading gerontological journal reports that too much protein can cause a person to lose about 30% of their kidney function by the time they reach old age. It can also cause systemic acidity, which the body attempts to counter by siphoning calcium out of the bones, which can lead to osteoporosis. Becoming a vegetarian does not mean you are limited to eating vegetables and fruit and nuts. There are many types of vegetarians that eat meatless diets in a variety of combinations. Some of the more common types include lacto-vegetarians, who do not eat meat or eggs, but do eat dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-ovo-vegetarians do not eat meat, but will eat dairy products and eggs. Ovo-vegetarians do not eat meat or dairy products, but will eat eggs. Vegans do not eat meat, dairy products, eggs, or any animal products at all. There are many medical and health organizations that promote, endorse and support people on a path toward changing their dietary lifestyle to one that includes more plant-based foods. There is a lot of information on the internet, as well as through medical providers and vegetarian organizations. Numerous books and articles are easily found. Many restaurants, grocery stores, supermarkets, and natural food stores now provide meals and products to vegetarians, making it simpler to choose this healthy lifestyle. Remember that at the end of the day it is your decision. If you want to simply keep eating a little meat, while exploring deeper into the vegetarian diet, then do that. Don't worry about the purists. There is no law to say you cannot eat a little meat, fish or chicken along the way. It's your life and your choice. Once you start eating more vegetarian food though, many people find they start to lose their taste for meat. The main thing is to enjoy the food and feel healthier by doing so. One final note. Consider consuming either all organic vegetables and fruit, or at least as much as you can afford. Organic produce really makes a great deal of difference to the taste and texture. And you have the security that what you are eating is free of pesticides and other chemicals. Like, share, comment. To Total Transformation channel.